Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to use Zelle to transfer money on Bank of America. So the first step is to simply open the app and then simply log into your account. And then after that, what you're gonna have to do is to simply tap on pay and transfer at the bottom. And after that, you're gonna have to simply select Zelle. And then what you're gonna have to do is to simply tap on send, and then here you're gonna have to simply add your pay information. So here you can search by name, phone or email address, and then simply choose the amount that you want to send, and after that simply tap on send, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.